Now we're going to do a similar thing. We're going to follow this curve around the piece of fabric. So keeping the line right in the middle of the foot again. You're going to start off by doing your back stitch, so forward 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, then hold the reverse button, backward 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to follow this line. When I'm doing that, I'm going to try and keep my fingers quite away from the needle and just use my fingers here to rotate the fabric backwards and forwards. So try and go nice and slowly. And if the line runs away from you, then just stop and then try and just keep gently rotating the fabric. Right. Okay. Backwards and forwards. Trying to keep the line in the middle of the foot. This one's quite tricky. When you get to the end, put your finger on the reverse button, backwards 3 stitches, forward 3 stitches, lift the press foot up, trim the ends off,